In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Wix with Etsy. To begin, open Wix and go to your Wix dashboard. This is the main control center for your website, and it is where you will manage features, apps, and store settings. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct site if you manage more than one. That will help you avoid connecting the wrong store by mistake. From the dashboard, navigate to the Apps section and then open the App Market. The App Market is where Wix offers integrations and tools that expand what your site can do. Inside the search bar, type Etsy. When the Etsy app appears in the results, click on it and then choose Add to Site. This will begin the setup process and place the integration inside your Wix store. After that, follow the authorization steps to connect your Etsy account. This part is important because it allows Wix and Etsy to communicate securely. You may be asked to sign in to Etsy and approve the connection. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what permissions are being granted. In most cases, these permissions are needed so your products can sync properly between platforms. Make sure you complete each screen until the connection is confirmed. Once your Etsy account is connected, you will be able to choose which Etsy products you want to sync to your Wix store. This gives you control over what appears on your site, which is helpful if you only want to feature selected items instead of your full Etsy catalog. As you make your selections, check product details like titles, images, and pricing so everything is ready to display correctly in Wix. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent confusion later. When you are done selecting the products you want to sync, click Save. This applies the integration settings and finalizes the connection between your Wix store and Etsy. After saving, it is a good idea to review your Wix store to confirm that the synced products appear the way you expect. If something does not look right, you can return to the app settings and adjust your selections. That covers everything you need to know.